The problem is that AI benchmarks are way too easy. We have to do something about it. The solution is the ARC prize, $1 million prize to whoever solves this benchmark. Mike is the co-founder of Zapier, and Francois is one of the head people at Google who also works a lot on AI benchmarking. OpenAI has really created a culture of making things closed down and proprietary when progress used to be open and shared across the academic community. So this is the article, The ARC Prize Revolutionizing AI Research and the Quest for AGI. Artificial general intelligence is a blanket term, and it's also one of the most ambitious terms where we're trying to achieve AI and humans to have the same level of intelligence. The ARC Prize was introduced by Francois and Mike, as I said earlier, trying to accelerate this challenge by challenging researchers to solve this ARC AGI benchmark. As you see here, this is the co-founder of Zapier. I got to see him in person. And you see in the slide, AGI progress has stalled. In 2023, $20 billion was given towards LLM research. However, there's mainly $100 million for AGI. So there's a big disparity. Rather than trying to focus on accelerating all AI research, we're just donating a lot of funds to LLMs because that seems where the money is. And frontier research is no longer open. So the OpenAI really showed us the use case and generated a lot of interest in AI from the broader community. But it really did close down a lot of frontier research down because people started realizing how much money was in it and they'd stop publishing papers out in the open. So if you see here, AGI progress has stalled. The challenge of the ARC AGI benchmark. So I just want to show you real quick what the benchmark looks like. This is the inputs, and then these are the outputs. And these are just an example of what are some of these tasks we're going to do for bringing the AI to our intelligence. These are tasks that humans are able to do relatively easily, but AI struggles with. So current AI models achieve around 34% of this benchmark, and a human can score easily around 80 to 85%. So there's a significant gap, and their theory is once AI can catch up to this benchmark, AI will truly be intelligent and the hype is real rather than, oh, there's an LLM every single day and there's so many updates, but is it actually getting towards a human intelligence? Can we truly trust it? So this is like $1 million, but they're going to also up the price in the future probably. And it's just trying to achieve this benchmark. We're really trying to democratize AGI research. So the team is trying to really democratize AGI research, foster a more inclusive approach to solving complicated AI problems, and encourage contributions from researchers with diverse backgrounds. So Mike shared some really awesome insights at the presentation. There's the user trust and confidence in AI systems remains moderate to low. So one thing that he gave in his talk was an insight from his research at Zapier. Like as the co-founder of Zapier, he speaks to a lot of users, and a lot of people usually use it for internally, and it boosts their productivity a little bit. But anything that's high stakes, they don't really use AI. For example, there's a chat bot that promised, oh, can I get this car for $1? And the LLM said yes. And are they obligated to fulfill that, the LLM's output, and give the person the car for $1? And it's a lot of issues. There's liability and issues that companies really do have a low user trust and confidence in AI systems. Many AI applications are confined to personal productivity tools rather than mission critical systems. And concerns about reliability and potential errors limit widespread adoption. So that's what I basically said through that example. And cross-disciplinary innovation, Noob highlighted some major advancements in AI. And it's really come from not necessarily just in machine learning, but other domains such as engineering, mechanical engineering, or physics, theoretical physicists. Any discipline is welcome. And that's why I really like this slide. AGI needs new ideas. Really trying to push forward the message that people from other disciplines can really jump into this challenge and collaborate with other AI researchers to understand what's going on. And hopefully we can, as a human race, band together and make AI as smart as us. Cholet and Knoop argued that the current focus on LLMs is limiting our progress to AGI. And we have to try other things to make artificial intelligence reach the level of human intelligence. So the ARC Prize really seeks the shift back to foundational research rather than generalizing across. So LLMs have impressive capabilities. They really fall short in generalizing across different types of tasks. So exploring different hybrid systems with deep learning and encouraging more creativity. And talking about closed research, having all the research behind closed doors really stifles innovation, as people can't really bounce off of each other's ideas. And while there is a huge monetary incentive by keeping it behind closed doors and making yourself rich, it's better to have an open ecosystem so we can reach true heights as a human civilization. So AGI really matters as it's a major milestone where artificial intelligence reaches the level of human intelligence. And there's a lot of critiques that are said to be made about this benchmark. Like, is it possible? And how are we going to truly understand if this benchmark is the measure for AGI? And what does AGI look like? Is general intelligence the right way to look at it? Or should we just be making the AI for individual tasks and not even try for AGI? So there is a lot of debate of what the future holds for this, but it is possible maybe, and I'm kind of neutral on this topic and will still try listening in to make a more defined opinion in the future. But it could really solve, if it's possible, it will solve complex problems adaptively, continuously improve performance without human intervention. And we're seeing more and more agentic processes, things without humans in the loop. And the importance of open research is really important. Having people build off of each other's achievements is really important. And maybe even if it's not just reaching AGI, having a more open research ecosystem will really benefit everyone and increase the productivity of this research. So the conclusion is that the ARC Prize represents a bold step in realizing the dream of AGI, and AI. Whether you're a researcher or a passionate newcomer, you should check it out. It's the number one trending prize on Kaggle, which is a popular data science competition. challenges. So you should check it out. So this is Krish signing off. Thank you.